It's Nat and Essie, plus Sprinkles the bear. Disgust, you're gonna love having a color-changing transformation. Even Sadness loved it.
You do look very different, but I'm not convinced. How about you, Anger? Maybe it's gonna make you less angry?
I don't know. Can I see the transformation again?
Of course! Take a close look at me. I'm gonna turn around, turn around, turn around. Into the warm water I go! Woohoo! See, I am not orange and blue anymore. I am yellow and sparkly. Now watch once I go in the cold water. Whee! Now I'm back to having orange hair and blue dress.
I gotta admit, that color combination kinda suits you.
I'm not very convinced. How about you, Sadness? Can I see your transformation?
Of course. I just need to go to the warm water first. Let me give you a hand, Sadness. Alright, here she goes. In the warm water. Woo!
Whoa, now you have white hair and purple top. Okay, I need you to transform back.
Okay. To the cold water she goes. Dun, 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 dun.
I have no words. That was actually pretty cool. Okay, I'm in.
Oh, awesome! How about you, Disgust? Come on.
Okay, fine. I'll give it a try. Hello, besties! Essie here for Nat and Essie, and today we have two of our emotions from the movie Inside Out 2, and we are going to color change them using our color changing nail polish. We are gonna go ahead and start off with Disgust. Okay, Disgust, what color would you like? How about color orange? Ugh, no. That's gross. Okay, how about a shimmery purple nail polish? And for your hair, let's see. Wanna do this color? No. Disgusting. How about this beautiful pink color? Okay, we can do that. Perfect. We are going to start off with your dress. Let's get our shimmery purple nail polish. Shake, 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 shake it, shake, shake, shake it, shake, shake, shake. All done with her dress, onto her hair.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Not forget underneath. And we're done! Here is Disgust with her first coat of paint. Now it's Anger's turn. Whoops. So Anger, what colors would you like to transform your shirt and your pants? Do you want this orange nail polish? Or this blue shimmery nail polish? Or this purple one? Or this other purple one?
Blue, orange, purple. I don't know. So many options. Just pick whatever.
How about we do the shimmery blue and this dark shade of purple there. We'll use this one for his shirt. Do 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 do. Shirt is done. Let's move on to the pants, and we are going to use the shimmery blue color for that. And voila! Oh, I love the shimmer on his pants.
Yeah, I kinda like it too.
Now let's get to Disgust once again. Her first coat is done, so we are just gonna go ahead and do a second coat. And let's do a second coat on the dress. Although this one doesn't need a whole lot of second coat because it looks pretty good already, but let's go ahead and do that. Let's get Anger back before he gets really mad waiting. We'll do a second coat of the shirt. And the shimmery blue for the pants. And here they are, looking super awesome. I really love the color combinations of these two. So who's gonna go first? Of course he goes first. I am the last one because I am the best. Sure. I'll go first. I hate waiting anyway. All right, Anger. Here is a closer look at your colors, and to the warm water you go. Whoa, look at that. His colors got lighter. Let's take him to the cold water just to remind us of how he used to look. You see, the colors are so much darker, but if we take him to the warm water, ta-da! The colors became lighter. Woo! Back to the cold water and back to the darker shade. Okay, it's my turn. Yes, girl, yes. Here you go. Warm water. Whoa! Look at her hair. It's now a very light shade of pink, and her dress, it is definitely lighter as well. Now on to the cold water. Ta-da! Look at that! Back to its bolder, darker shade. Let's do it one more time. Warm water. Ta-da! And cold water. Yay! Just like magic! You guys look amazing.
Yes, you guys look amazing! Now we just need Fear to do his transformation too.
Wait, what?
Me? Yeah, you're next. That's a no. Ah! That's okay. We'll get him next time.